Annapurna 1 is the highest peak in the Annapurna Massif, located in the Gandaki province of north-central Nepal. Reaching an altitude of 8,091 meters, it ranks as the 10th highest mountain globally. Historically, it is known for being the first 8,000-meter peak ever climbed, but also notorious for its high objective dangers, particularly avalanches, resulting in one of the highest fatality-to-summit ratios among the major peaks. Broad Peak is the 12th highest mountain in the world, standing at 8,051 meters above sea level. It is located in the Karakoram Range on the border of Pakistan and China. Part of the Gasherbrum Massif, it is situated about 8 kilometers, 5 miles from K2. The mountain has several summits, with the main one being 8,051 meters. Its name, given by W. M. Conway in 1892, refers to the considerable length, over 1.5 kilometers, of its summit ridge. Cho Oyu is the 6th highest mountain in the world at 8,188 meters above sea level. It is located on the China-Nepal border in the Mahalangor Himalayas, about 20 kilometers west of Mount Everest. Cho Oyu means turquoise goddess in Tibetan. It is often considered one of the most accessible 8,000-meter peaks due to its relatively straightforward northwest ridge route and gentler slopes, making it a popular objective for guided expeditions. Dhaulagiri is the 7th highest mountain in the world, standing at 8,167 meters above sea level. Located in the Dhaulagiri Himal range of Gandaki province, Nepal, it lies northwest of Pokhara and is separated from the Annapurna Massif to the east by the deep Kali-Gandaki River Gorge. Its name means White Mountain in Sanskrit. The first successful ascent of Dhaulagiri I was made on May 13, 1960. Death rates are significant, with a historical average of 16%. Standing at 8,848 meters, Mount Everest, or Sagarmatha in Nepal and Chomolungma in Tibet, holds the title of the highest mountain on Earth. Located in the Himalayan Mahalangor Himal subrange, its summit straddles the Nepal-Tibet border. Attracting climbers globally, it stands as a premier mountaineering objective. The initial verified ascent of Mount Everest took place on May 29, 1953. While the risks of climbing remain, the death rate has been around 1%. Gasherbrum 1, also known as Hidden Peak or K5, is the 11th highest mountain in the world. It is located on the border of Pakistan and China, within the Karakoram mountain range. Standing at 8,080 meters above sea level, it is part of the prominent Gasherbrum Massif. Its alternative name, Hidden Peak, was given by William Martin Conway in 1892 due to its extreme remoteness and visibility only from the upper reaches of the Baltoro Glacier. K2, also known as Mount Godwin Austen or Chogori, is the 2nd highest mountain on Earth, after Mount Everest. Located on the China-Pakistan border between Baltistan in the Gilgit-Baltistan region of northern Pakistan and China. At 8,611 meters above sea level, K2 is the highest point of the Karakoram range. K2 is known as the Savage Mountain due to the extreme difficulty of ascent and the 2nd highest fatality rate among the 8,000ers. Kanchenjunga is the 3rd highest mountain in the world, located on the border between Nepal, Taplejung district, and the state of Sikkim in India. Towering at 8,586 meters, it's known for its immense size, technical difficulty, and often unpredictable weather conditions. It is the highest peak in India. The first ascent was made on May 25, 1955 by British expedition. Climbing Kanchenjunga is considered hazardous, with death rate reported to be 30%. Lhotse is the 4th highest mountain in the world, standing at 8,516 meters. It is located on the border between Tibet, China, and the Khumbu region of Nepal, and is connected to Mount Everest via the south kernel, often considered a challenging climb due to its steep face and proximity to Everest's weather systems. Lhotse Lhotse has a historical death rate for climbers that has been reported to be around 3%. Lhotse was first successfully climbed on May 18, 1956 by a Swiss team. Makalu is the fifth highest mountain in the world, located in the Mahalungor Himalayas, southeast of Mount Everest, on the border between Nepal and the Tibet Autonomous Region of China. Standing at 8,485 meters, it is notable for its perfect pyramid shape with four sharp ridges. Makalu is considered one of the more difficult 8,000-meter peaks due to its sustained steep climbing, exposure, and technical sections near the summit. Death rate estimated to be around 13%. Manaslu, also known as Kutang, is the eighth highest mountain in the world at 8,163 meters above sea level. It is located in the Mansiri Himal, part of the Nepalese Himalayas, in the Gorkha district of Nepal. Its name, which means mountain of the spirit, comes from the Sanskrit word manasa, meaning intellect or soul. While considered one of the more accessible 8,000ers, Manaslu is known for its significant avalanche danger, particularly on the lower slopes. Nanga Parbat is a mountain located in the Diamur district of Gilgit-Baltistan, Pakistan. It is the ninth highest mountain in the world at 8,126 meters above sea level. Known locally as Diamur, King of the Mountains, it is often called the Killer Mountain due to the high number of climber fatalities, especially in the first half of the 20th century. The first ascent was achieved on July 3, 1953 by the Austrian climber Hermann Buhl. Shishapangma, also known as Gosanthan, is the 14th highest mountain in the world, standing at 8,027 meters above sea level. It is located entirely within the Tibet Autonomous Region of China, making it the only 8,000er situated exclusively in Chinese territory. Its Tibetan name means crest above the grassy plains. Climbing Shishapangma carries a significant risk, with a historical fatality rate of almost 9 deaths per 100 successful summits.